Almighty, mommy. I make you figure so hard.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Mars again, man, and mommy. Yeah, man, so today we're going to be showing you guys how to make authentic rice and peas with the coconut from the great line and the whole process. You feel me, I say? So without further lay forward, I can show you what I got. You saw how we got the coconut from its husk? We're just going to get it grated, you know what I'm saying? We use the finer side of our grater. And you want to be careful because you don't want to rub your fingers off, right? This is the authentic Jamaican yardman style, is it? This is what the coconut looks like after it has all been grated, you know what I say?
We're gonna remove the cover from the pot. Wow.
Alright, completely cold.
Yes, so these peas do not cook soft as how it should cook.
Okay, nice.
Yes, because you have to use the coconut milk. They cannot cook rice and peas with raw coconut milk. You will have running belly. You're gonna use some of the peas water to juice the coconut. So here, pour it on the grater to get off the coconut. Reason for using the boiling water of the peas to get the grease out.
Okay, so you get the full amount of the cream from the trash.
Yes. So we get a better cream from the coconut when you use the warm water. But you're gonna add some cold water to the warm water.
Okay, because you don't want it to be too super hot where you cannot handle it.
Okay, you're gonna pour the peas to the pot for the rice and peas. You're gonna put the peas on the fire. So you're gonna choose coconut and get this creamy milk to finish cook the peas.
You know what I like to?
Custard.
I left a little bit of the trash in the rice. Not too much, so you have that little crunch factor in your rice.
Yes, I could strain it out before, but because I don't have enough space, so you pour your coconut. So you're gonna put a little bit of the trash in there. You don't want to have too much.
So you squeeze it to get the maximum amount of that milk from it, you know what I'm saying? See this right here that you're looking at right now? You can add some sugar to that and eat that as a snack before the dinner is ready. You know the something, go leave a comment below if you know about that life there. You feel me I say? Up man, a country life, you know. See there? Out the road we say, you see it? Yeah, add a bit more water to that just to get the maximum amount. Jamaican we say it not done yet. So in total when we juice this coconut cream, we got about 2¼ cups of coconut milk from that. You know them style, don't? Yeah man, you know the style man. Put it back on the cupboard just so go on like one now.
And you say this is why you cannot make the peas well cooked. You have to make it half cooked, then you use the coconut milk to finish.
Just allow this to boil down a little bit. Infuse the peas with the coconut milk, you see? So yeah, it might look like a lot of water, but no. I'm going to allow that to reduce to an extent and get the peas to cook a bit more. Our coconut will give you belly ache, so get the coconut cooked out properly in the liquid, you see?
You put a couple of grains of pimento grain in there, but the coconut will not hurt your belly.
And you crush it out slightly?
Yes.
Nice. So about 10 more minutes, and when it comes to a boil, I will show you what I want. Cold one, my Jenna. Remember now, I am the one who grated the coconut, so I'm allowed one drink. Sick!
Remove the cover from the pot and look what is in the pot.
You see how that color of the peas and the coconut infused together, beautiful creamy liquid. Chano. So you realize because it has come to a boil now, we kind of half mask the pot just so this doesn't boil over the stove. You know what I'm saying?
This is some dry time. You're gonna beat the scallion to get that juice. And of course, you're gonna have a teaspoon of sugar.
Yeah.
This is cooking butter. So you're gonna put about this and stir.
This is on medium heat. I'm gonna turn it up to high heat.
You're gonna beat the ginger or you can cut it and add it to the pot, not the rice, and because you know coconut can run your belly, so this will end up from give you sourness, running belly.
This is on medium heat. I'm going to turn it up to high heat. I'm going to cover this and allow it to come to a boil for about 5 minutes.
So we're gonna wash some rice to put in there.
Okay.
But before I wash the rice,
so you taste it just before you add the rice and everything tastes good. You know the thing go down. You turn this down and then we're going to get the rice nice and washed.
need one.
So 6 cups of rice, you know what I say?
We serve for at least 7 to 8 people depending on what amount they eat.
Okay.
You know wash rice?
I wash rice like I wash clothes, eh? The rice pretty though.
Huh?
Rice. So much can I wash the rice?
Like how this can have so much salt, you can wash it 2 times.
Okay. Remove the sandstick?
Yes.
Alright. I get the flavor and everything from it already done. Yeah.
You don't want some of the people they one side, one from because the rice is going to come out properly. So you're gonna turn up fire now to boil up. I'm gonna wait until 10 minutes so when it boil up now I turn it down.
So once you start seeing a bit of the rice grain, then you're gonna lower your fire, right? You put that to medium low and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So put that to low heat, you know what I say? So it steam properly. So we're gonna add a piece of plastic over that so it traps in all the steam and steam up the really sweet. So 25 minutes and we should be good to go. You feel me I say?
Alright, I'm just gonna check on this rice and peas.
And listen, mommy, don't stir our rice nor nothing. So 25 minutes has passed since you cover this with the bag, and trust me, look at this. Both of us gonna see it for the first time. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful. See that now? Show where I'm going for your rice, Miss Bailey.
Yes, when you put your spoon in there and the rice don't come on it, there you don't say.
What?
The rice and peas.
A new trick that is this. Put your spoon, put your fork or your spoon down near rice.
Your fork
And once it come out,
dry, you know say.
Just like a cake.
Yes.
And you don't stir this none at all.
No, you don't have to stir it. You can just tease it up a little.
Yeah, just like how it tease up everybody we are watch right now. You see that? Shelly.
So when you cover the plastic and cover it back now, you gotta get that custard.
Shano. And there you have it. How to prepare authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Jesus peas. Alright, now you turn down the stove real low. So that when the potato salad with the over here so ready. And then over here so now what we have stew beef. All of which are courtesy of Miss Bailey. You know the thing go. You see me?
You're gonna look in there because it is penetrating show they get the custard now.
What should I call the custard? Show me.
Yeah, so
You look right to okay. Mommy, you pro at this, you know?
This rice and peas can eat without meat.
Yeah, man. You see, anytime you drop on my foot, a shell, we are going to shell up a place like the rice, eh? Canada, I don't feel like chattings. Alright, yo, yeah. Yo, uno go on. Uno tan dede. Uno tan dede.
Dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.